Said Paul, plant the palace water, the increase come from God. I'm going to show you my ink. Oh my God. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Wow. I have to take time, you know. My God. Thank you, Lord. Thank you very much. And I also picking okra. Is it lovely? Also have my tomato here. Lots of tomato. And also have my cabbage. You see it? I soon can reap my cabbage. Wow. I am proud. This is I think my pop chow from here. And this is my lettuce. My lettuce. And I'm going to skin my lettuce. Okay, because I'm going to make a salad. The best thing to eat what you plant. Okay, lovely, lovely. I'm gonna make a lovely salad, and this is another type of lettuce. Is it so lovely? This is from my garden. This one down here. Look, I'm very proud of my garden. I am very proud of my garden. What else can I put with this? I have more. So, also I'm gonna add some kale to my salad. Look, these are my kale. I'm going to add to my salad. So it's so pretty. Next time I use those. I'm going to make myself a salad and my carrot here to make carrot juice. Look what I have this morning from my field. I am proud of everything and I just thank God. My gungo, because I also gonna make gungo soup and rice and gungo. Okay, come with me. Do a little and show you. This is the purple one, and the one that I have over there is the yellow one. Okay, I also have the white one. But bear with me. And you see, I have my pineapple coming. Look at my pineapple. I have more than one. Okay, okay. Wow. This is the, I think this is the white one. I show you two type already. Oh yes, there you go. There you go. There you go. So I have three type. is susumber. We call it gully bean in Jamaica. So I'm going to pick some now. This is how I pick it. You can pick from this, but it takes time. I don't want to destroy the smaller one.